Hello, my name is Tim Hennessy, and I am looking to tell you today about my experience with trying to grow an online business and maybe give you some tips or give you some insight into how you can be successful online. And look, I'm no expert, I've made plenty of mistakes, and let me tell you, I'm like an old school thinker. I think that hard work gets you there, and quite honestly, it doesn't, because the system is broken. The system that we brought up with to understand just doesn't work. It's not fit for purpose anymore. Look, I did everything I was supposed to do. I went to school, got educated, went and worked hard, ran businesses for other people, and ultimately then ended up running my own business. A traditional business, newsagent business, where I had a number of shops. I started out with 6 shops and ended up with 13 shops, 80 staff, a massive headache. 1 week off, I think I took it in 8 years. And it just wasn't working for me, and there was certainly no passion left in that business, and it was just a pure heartache. So I was constantly looking for other revenue streams, ways of earning income online or additional income online, and with some success and and with some failures, and that's all part of the journey. And that's really what I want to help people with, to try and cut the corners a little bit. And when I say cut the corners, I don't mean take shortcuts or get quick rich schemes or anything like that, because that just doesn't work either. It requires a lot of commitment, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. I made lots of mistakes, chased lots of shiny objects, partly out of confidence. I wanted to learn as much as I could, because as an entrepreneur, it can be a lonely place when you're working from home and you're trying to learn everything and do different things, and so many rabbit holes you can go down and get lost in. And that's when I discovered the Partner with Anthony program with Anthony Morrison. Because what you need is a structural, systemized, step-by-step approach, like a paint-by-numbers type thing, where you can work alongside and partner with Anthony, essentially, in this business. So he doesn't overwhelm you, because being overwhelmed is a big issue, because you get all this stuff coming at you like a fire hose, and there's so much to take in, and it's very easy to get lost and frustrated, and you drop the ball a little bit. So what I really like about the Partner with Anthony program is that, sure, it's hard work. You've got to put in effort. And when I talk about effort, I'm talking about 10 to 15 hours per week, maybe, to just get things up and running, get things started. And yeah, there is some costs associated with that as well, but it's a very low entry point. And what I really was impressed by Anthony Morrison was, when I first discovered him, I was in the ClickFunnels community, where I'm learning to build funnel pages and things like that. And one good tip is, if you want to be successful, find somebody who's already doing it and copy that. And I was thinking, well, I don't need to reinvent the wheel here. The wheel has already been built. I just need to follow the program and follow the step-by-step approach. And that's what I've loved about the Partner with Anthony program, because it's doing exactly that. Taking you step by step, nurturing you, giving the knowledge that you need to be able to move forward. And it starts with growing an email list. You need to be able to grow your email list, and you can go off and you can develop your own programs and develop your own content. And sure, that will work. It can take time if you do it organically, but to get results fast and efficiently, it makes sense to partner with somebody who's already done it and is doing it successfully. And I was really impressed by the integrity shown, the value-led approach that was given by Anthony. And as I've gone through the program, I've seen huge progress being made from my own side, because I've got a system built out that simply works. Yes, it took time. And if your head isn't in the right space for that, then it's time to move on and just swipe forward, or whatever you do on the skip ad or whatever, because you need to put in the time, put in the effort. But I love the structural paint by numbers approach, that you can just work through at your own pace. And you can, yes, it costs some money as you get deeper into it, but it's an investment into you and into your business. And that's so important in this day and age, because the world has changed, as I've said. You need to find other ways to earn money online, other additional revenue streams. And nobody can ever guarantee you results, but you need to put in the effort yourself. You need to invest in yourself. And I can't rate this program high enough, simply because the time is taken to nurture you along the way. So I would recommend you click on the link below this video. In the comments, you'll see the link where you can learn more about it, and just take it in and have a look for yourself and see how you find it. It's a low entry point. You can come in something and just work to your own pace, and I highly recommend it. So I wish you the best of luck. Keep on trucking, keep your head down, keep moving forward, and enjoy the ride. Thank you very much.